YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Sledgexl, knows my channel SHOTTOHEAD. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications when I post new videos. Yo, check out my jersey. There you go. You see the Barcelona? Alright, go check out my entire soccer jersey collection. Video should be up pretty shortly, and leave a comment, let me know which jerseys that you prefer, which teams do you support and whatnot. But without further ado, let's get into today's unboxing so you know what this is all about. So before we get into the box, I picked these off of Route 21. A very decent top. It's got that the 80s color blocking to it, and it's a hoodie, so it makes it really clean. I think this is gonna go very well with the Jordan 1 color blocking that came out some time ago. Video should be uploaded, and I paid like $10 for these. They were on sale. Yeah, I paid 12 bucks with taxes, so $12.96. all right, so this box came from Hibbett Sports. Right there, let me cover my address. It came from Hibbett Sports, and it was on sale. Let's see what the packing slip says. So the packing slip, I paid, I don't remember because it's been a while, and I know they are on sale. So I paid $101.23 for the size 10, right there, if you could see it. Alright, so this is the Jordan 6 Retro Concorde, and the colorway is white, dark Concorde, and black. Alright, yeah, let me put this on the side. Alright, there you go. Decent, clean shoes, I think this shoe will go very well with this jersey. What do you think? Because it's got that purple, and then this has got the little blue and purple colors in there. Yeah, there you go. Regular Jordan 6. Let's pull the other one out. So Jordan 6 is one of the shoes that you can't go wrong. You can't ever go wrong with, because of the build. It's built very well. They're durable. They last almost forever. You can't go wrong with them. So the colorways, like I already said, the dark, the purple, gray, black, midsole right here. The bottoms, you've got your Jumpman in purple, black, and then clear icy blue. The laces are flat laces. Let me get into the insides right here. Shoe tree and nothing to it. And then the insoles, just it has the Jumpman in red, and then the size 10 on there. Alright, without further ado, let me jump into the on-feet action real quick. Go check out some of my other videos if you haven't done so, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you are not left out when I post new videos. But until I see you next, peace and out.
Hey. Yeah. How we looking though? How we looking? You be talking
How
to
we
looking? I'm looking, bitch. Let's go. Young sons don't talk about without you not to say. Try to jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistaken. Where the cookies? I just cooked. How we looking? Dump shots on my block and they all filled with pain. Ducks on my jock and they all look to take it. But you cooked it, where the cookies? I just cooked it, how we looking? Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug, once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy. Fight my style alright, don't care, I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let it see, scrubs, let it squeeze still. Slice is stored out, nigga beast still. Motherfucker, I'm still a beast though. Call me glue hoe, stick it to the cheek code. I let that thing go, aim it, pop, 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 then I reload. Them songs don't talk poppin' vibes, you not the same. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistook, where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? Dump jumps on my block and they all filled with pavements. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. What you cookin'? Where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? I brought a ticket and I spent it right on some dope shit. Give me a minute while I finish all of this rose. Knocking like who there, that's your boo there, I let her rotate. I'm in my woo wear and my woo wear, I feel like Ghostface. I whip Ferrari out, Mari, I'm making folks say I get your body, you beside me, he beat the whole cake. I told my layman that I'm fiendin', bring me the whole cake. I told my layman that I'm fiendin', bring me the whole cake. I swoop inside the coupe, the rider, nigga, I'm so fresh. Bubbling like Zada, I'm deciding you niggas so fake. I swoop inside the coupe, the rider, nigga, I'm so great. Bubbling like Zada, I'm deciding you niggas so fake. Young sons don't talk poppin' vibes, you not the same. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistook, where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? Dump jumps on my block and they all filled with pavements. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. What you cookin'? Where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? Hey, yeah. How we looking though? How we looking?
You be talking
How
to
we
me, motherfucker,
looking?
right? I'm looking, bitch. Let's go.
Young sons don't talk poppin' vibes, you not the same. Tryna jump on my spot, you must got me mistaken. I'm mistook, where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? Dump jumps on my block and they all filled with pavements. Young ducks on my jock and they all built to take it. What you cookin'? Where the cook at? I just cooked it, how we lookin'? Oh my God, man, he passed nice, y'all niggas tacky. So my plug once he get ready, he best get at me. Said he had me, hit me fastly, left a packy, now I'm happy. Fight my style alright, don't care, I'm still gon' see me. As I look around, nobody that I see. Let us see scrubs,